So over here you can see that I have multiple sections right here, but all of them right here actually has a certain white background to it. But if I want to go ahead and change around the background color, then as you hover around particular like sections, you can see a background option around over here. So you can actually go ahead and click on the background color, and then you can see that there's different colors that you can choose from right here, depending on the color scheme of your theme. You can even go ahead and click on remove to remove it out, and then go to custom to choose the color that you want right here for the background, and the text depending on the background color changes out accordingly as well. So if your background is very dark, your text becomes light, and if your background is light, the text becomes dark, as you can see automatically right here. And you can hover over to see how they would look as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and add in an image background. So you can go ahead and choose from different image background that you have right here, or you can go ahead and choose different styles with the image background and choose the style of the image as well. For example, you can contain, you can tile it out right here if the image is small, or you can center it out just like this. You can even go ahead and upload out image that you have, or choose uploaded image right here. For example, you can go ahead and add this in, and then go ahead and contain it. Let's say tile it out right here, or center it out as you like as well. Apart from that, you can even go to video and choose a video background as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You got a very dynamic video right there. You can go to more right here, just like this, onto the video library right here. Go for abstract, let's say for example, and choose the one that you want, and that video will be added in right here. If you were to go to more right here, you get the video library, but apart from that, you can also embed out a video and enter a YouTube or a Vimeo URL right here, and that video will be embedded right here as you need as well. But let me just go ahead and click on save right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and adjust out section backgrounds as you need inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.